Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to link tasks in Asana. So this is very simple. First, click on the task that you want to have linked and click on Add Dependencies. Now, click on the task that you want to be blocked by. So let's say task 3. And now this task is blocked by task 3. If you want to remove this dependency, just click on Remove Dependency right here. Now, if you want to link task like add a subtask, so let's say I would add this task 3 subtask right here to task 1. Now, they are linked in a like subtask manner. So they are together, as you can see, and you can remove it simply like this. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.